Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs, welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Milwaukee M12 charger with 120 volts AC input. It was plugged into 220 volts AC, and something exploded inside. I'll show you how to repair it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you've came to the right channel. So why not consider subscribing for more great content? And make sure to like and ring the notification bell to never miss a video like this. So let's get started. Let's unscrew the charger. Obviously, the fuse is blown. And this varistor exploded. Let's test the PWM circuit for any shorts. The PWM seems okay. It is because the varistor is the first to get shorted, and the fuse blown. The rectifier diodes are also okay, no shorts. No shorted with the main capacitor. We don't detect any shorted components. It seems that the varistor and the fuse were only being damaged. Let's remove the fuse and the varistor. A varistor's function is to act as a voltage-dependent resistor providing surge protection by shunting away high-voltage transients from sensitive components. Most 120-volt chargers have a varistor, and it's the first to explode if it's plugged into 220 volts. 10N271K varistor is about 175 allowable AC voltage only. Let's solder the 220 ohms 20 watts test resistor to the line of the fuse. You can use an incandescent bulb with this method. Here in the Philippines, the standard AC voltage is 220 volts, so we need a step-down transformer. 220 down to 110 volts. The voltage is about 114 volts AC. This is the specific voltage we need to test the charger. If the charger works, we can read a voltage from this capacitor. We can test the voltage output to the terminals of this capacitor. We have an output now of 11.1 volts DC. The charger seems to be working now. My customer wants to convert it to 220 volts. Yes, it's possible to convert it to 220 volts. The rectifier circuit of this charger uses a voltage doubler, which the AC input of 120 volts, and the rectifier's DC output becomes 300 volts. That's why it's have two series capacitors. Let's measure the series capacitor voltage. As you can see, the voltage reaches 300 volts DC, even if it is plugged into 110 volts. Here is a simple diagram of a doubler rectifier. These are the series capacitors. These are the 4 rectifier diodes. 110 volts AC in, and the DC output is 300 volts DC. To disable the doubler voltage is just to cut this line, and the doubler voltage will be disabled. This line will be cut. Cut it with a wide space because it is a high voltage. There's a probability that the electricity will jump. For those that has not yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Thanks to our channel members. They are only a few, but they are amazing. Thanks for joining the member channel. Now let's try it in 110 volts. Let's measure the series main capacitor. The voltage is only 153 volts because the voltage doubler is now disabled. But we don't have an output now. Try now on 220 volts. We have an output with 220 volts. And the series main capacitor is now about 308 volts, it is now converted to 220 volts. Let's see the PWM part number. TOP265EG is the part number. According to the note of TOP265EG, 230 volts AC or 110-115 volts AC is with a doubler. No doubler needed in 220 volts AC. Remove the resistor and replace the fuse with the same rating. The fuse rating is 3.15 amps to 30 volts AC.
A few moments later.
The Milwaukee M12 charger is now working great. We don't replace the varistor because it doesn't need to be replaced. Some 220-volt chargers have no varistor. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you updated every time I post a new video. Once again, this is Tefts. See you again next time. Bye for now.